Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on the genetic landscape of mental health and neurodiversity. This is one of the more complex discussions we have had during our network sessions. Mental health conditions and neurodiversity are complex traits influenced by a combination of genetic, environmental, and developmental factors. While the exact genetic underpinnings are still being unraveled, research has shed light on some key aspects. Mental health conditions. Most mental health conditions, such as depression, anxiety disorders, and schizophrenia, are thought to be influenced by multiple genes, each with a small effect. This is known as polygenic inheritance. Genes can increase susceptibility to mental health conditions, but environmental factors, such as stress, trauma, or adverse experiences, often play a crucial role in triggering their onset. Environmental factors can also alter gene expression without changing the underlying DNA sequence. This is epigenetics. These epigenetic changes can be passed down through generations, potentially influencing mental health risk. Neurodiversity. Neurodevelopmental conditions such as autism and ADHD have a stronger genetic component compared to many mental health conditions. In some cases, rare genetic mutations or chromosomal abnormalities can contribute to neurodevelopmental conditions. There is increasing evidence of genetic overlap between different neurodevelopmental conditions and even between neurodevelopmental and mental health conditions. At a network meeting, we had an emotional conversation about how the genetic influence from parents with a neurodiversity or propensity to mental health issues might be passed on to their children. The decision of whether to have children is deeply personal. When considering the genetic aspects of mental health and neurodiversity, it's essential to keep the following in mind. Risk versus certainty. Genes only confer susceptibility, not certainty. Many individuals with genetic predispositions do not develop any conditions. Individual variability. Even within families, the expression of genetic traits can vary widely. Positive aspects. Some genetic variations associated with neurodiversity can also confer strengths and advantages. Reproductive technologies. Advances in reproductive technologies offer options for genetic screening and counseling. Additional considerations. Societal attitudes. Societal attitudes towards mental health and neurodiversity can significantly impact individuals and families. Support systems. Access to support systems, early intervention, and appropriate resources can greatly enhance the lives of individuals with mental health conditions or neurodevelopmental differences. The genetic aspects of mental health and neurodiversity are complex and multifaceted. While genes can play a role in susceptibility, they do not determine destiny. Environmental factors, individual variability, and societal attitudes also play crucial roles. By understanding the genetic landscape and its interplay with other factors, we can promote informed decision-making, foster inclusivity, and support individuals and families affected by these conditions. If you're concerned about your mental health or the mental health of someone you know, please reach out to a medical professional. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. While I am neurodiverse and I have 2 neurodiverse sons, I am not a trained expert, a qualified medical or psychiatric professional. This is just the well-informed consideration of someone who is committed to helping others in a similar situation to myself.